Hello everyone and welcome to Crafted Technology. Alright, so in this video I like to show you how you can insert page number in Microsoft Word from specific page. Stay tuned and watch to the end. Now let's go ahead and start. I'll go to my Insert tab, click on it. Now go to where I have header and footer group. Click the more arrow of the page number. Here you would see the different styles of page numbering. I like it to be at the bottom of page, okay? And over here you will see again that the page numbers do have different styles. You can scroll the way downwards to see what you want. I like to have my, I like to choose the plain number 3 style. Okay, now let's see if we have it right. Okay, you can see here my page started from number 1, okay, which is the cover page is numbered. Like I did say, I want my page to start numbering from the second page. So I want here to start with 1. Okay, so what do? I am going to undo what I have. I'll just close this section. Okay, I still have that, so I would go to that point and undo what I have done. Okay, the page number is gone. We would insert section breaks. Now, section breaks are subdivisions of a document. Okay, once a document is divided into sections, you can make formatting changes that apply only in that one section. Okay, now for instance, you can change the page orientation. Now for this example, we can, on a particular section, when we apply section break, we will be inserting a page number to that particular section. To insert page sections, we go to the layout tab. All right, now the page setup group, you'll see breaks. Click the more arrow, you will see section breaks. Like I did say, we are inserting section breaks, so we'll choose the first one. Okay, now to see if we have our section break already in this document, I will move this upwards. The test, I want to move them upwards. Okay, now to see if we have our section breaks here, I'll go to the home tab, click on the show hide button. Okay, you'll see section break and it starts from the second one. Now this tells us that we have sections in this document. Okay, so I'll go back and turn that off. Okay, so we have sections here. Now the next thing to do is to go back to the insert tab, go to the header and footer group, click the more arrow and choose the number style that I want. Again, I'll go with this one and insert. Okay, so we have 2 here. Oh wow, we still have that, even though when I have the section breaks in this document, you can see over here section 1 and here is section 2. Okay, now what happens? Why do we still have that? Look at the header and footer navigation pane. You will see that link to previous is on. Okay, so whatever formatting that you do in this document, because this is on, which is linked to previous, is going to link and apply to the previous page. Right, so I'll click on that to turn it off. What I can now do is to delete everything that I have here, delete it, ensure it's all deleted here as well. Okay, scroll the way down. Okay, everything is gone. Now this is the point we want to start, which is our number 2. All right, now I can now go to my header and footer, go all the way to header and footer group, click the more arrow, go to the style of page number that I want, which is bottom of page, scroll all the way down to that point and choose the style that I want. Okay, if I scroll up to see what I have there, okay, you will see that the first page I do not have a number there, which is fine, but there's a problem here because it starts counting from 2, not to worry. If you have this, what you should do now, in certain cases, it could come out starting from 1, which is not a problem. But if you have this, if you experience this, that's not a problem. Now go to your header and footer, go to the header and footer group, go to the page number, more arrow, go to format page numbers, click on that. Now look at this point, continue from previous page. That's not what we want. Focus here, start at. So we want the number to start at a specific numbering, which is 1. So we'll click OK. Now you would see it has changed to 1. Let's go to the first page and see what we have there. There's no numbering here. Now we have 1, we have 2, 3, 4. All right, so once you have it inserted, you can now go to the ribbon, close the header and footer section. All right, so if you scroll all the way down, you will see it starts counting from exactly on the page where we want to start. All right, so that's how to insert a page number in Microsoft Word from specific page. Now, if you want to see more videos from this channel, please consider subscribing, and a link comes out. Click on that link if you want to see video on how you can insert page border on the first page of your document. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.